Hey, quickly man, the next one is coming. See, now you can see the roads here also.
Yeah.
This one.
Ooh.
है ना? हम लोग वीडियो में हम लोगों को कैप्चर कर रहे हैं।
देखो बैकग्राउंड ही अच्छा आ रहा है, तुम लोग को ले लिए तो खराब आ रहा है। बैकग्राउंड इज फार बेटर, गेट लॉस्ट।
Now it's once again closed. See, there is a jeep coming with lights.
Live commentary from John Kingston.
Now you are looking at children's seat. That is the best view you can get anywhere in Aircard. So I would recommendation would be please visit this again and again and again. Signing off from
John Kingston T.
12:15 Club TV.
We just came to chill out here, but we didn't know that the weather will be so chilling. Oh God, I'm shivering.
Stop shivering, Navneet.
You have got John's company. I'm alone.
No, yeah, I don't.
John,
I'm alone, yeah.
John and Chitrang are sharing the warmth of each other.
No.
They are not. They're not. They're not feeling cold. Oh God, I'm left alone.
Don't worry, Navneet. We'll get one for you.
Monkeys,
From monkeys, I will not get warmth. From monkeys, I will get AIDS.
Beat the hell out of you. Take this. Hey, now it's changed, yeah. See, use the thing. If this is the case, lady seat also will change.
इतना नहीं यार यहाँ we are at like height ना, so might be. Anyway, this is good that we didn't spend time on ladies and gents.
Yeah, Chitrang is saying that we should directly come on to children.
We should marry first.
Ladies, gents, all are rubbish.
Yeah, first try for the children.
First try for the children. Then think about ladies or gents. Monkeys whistling. Yeah, monkeys are whistling. You can see the full view now. Mist has gone.
Now you're seeing the complete view of the right hand side of children's seat, which is going to be awesome, and I think you're going to enjoy it once you see it. So just check it out. Just see the roads row by row, how it is laid out there.
Yeah.
And see how some buildings are coming up, and then you see some roads, and then you get back to the other roads, and once and the roads in front of the thick jungle. So this is something you're going to enjoy all day long. So get ready, pack it up, and then come here and enjoy it. That would be my recommendation. Navneet is already enjoying the whole.
Ha 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 ha. This laughter is a proof that I'm enjoying. Ha 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 again. Replay ha ha ha.
Replay it again and again.
Chitrang
got to meet his very some cousins, no?
Like this children's seat. He never liked other seats though. Cover the same place, man.
Cover some other place. I don't want to cover any people because that will make it very disappointing.
You will end up terribly confident.
Okay, this is the back rear view of Children's Park. Family view.
Hey, come here.
Again the tragic scene. Tragic scene once again. Yeah, you can see two tragedies going up. Brokeback Mountain Part 2, and the actors are in front of me. Actors are in front of me. I am the cameraman. So you can see this is the repetition of the same scene which was done in Brokeback Mountain Part 1. Here. Now they are going to set off their clothes and jump into the river. Is there any river anywhere?
You're seeing some roads.
Again live commentary from John Kingerston.
Now you're seeing the top point in the children's seat.
Yeah, that's all. Stop. Chitrang.
Yeah, you can instead of directing us, you can take the pictures of that.
Fine, that's all. No need to speak more.
Hey, see the roads, man. Here.
See the roads again and again. Maybe this is the 5th time John repeated the same comment.
Because they're so awesome, you know. That's the wonder of air cards, hill station roads. पेपर होता है ना उसका एरोप्लेन बना के उड़ाते हैं यार, देखते ही जाता है।
कहीं हम लोग स्वर्ग में तो नहीं पहुंच गए? इसका गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट हो गया होगा और हम लोग मर के स्वर्ग में तो नहीं आ गए हैं?
Okay, stop it.
Stop it.